Let's move on to the next tab. We have a management tab here. This is just a dashboard to provide information to the administrator about list of projects in the repositories, the cost manager that gives the projected cost of the overall projects, and the data managers gives the little pie chart about various file types saved in the repositories for management purpose. This tabs provides information about historical activities on any specific business process during the preservation. You can see the list of event and the user and date and time and the event outcomes. And this tab provides the list of users currently registered in the systems. Now I'm going to show you quickly about the redeployment. So in order to do the redeployment, we need to have a virtual environment. As explained in the introduction presentation, we are using Proxmox virtualization server to deploy our preserved business process environment. Now I'm going to load the virtual server data so that I can configure my business process. Before that, I will just select my business process. I see I have one node I need to deploy to test and realize it. Let's create a virtual instance of this particular host by referring the configuration details of the preserved environment. So we have Ubuntu 12.04 server of code name precise, and these are the list of hardware configuration. As you can see, most of them refer to the virtual environment. We can find similar configurations in the redeployment environment. To do so, I named my VM, as you can see here, using the node IDs and host name. Then we have attached ISO image of an operating system, then define the disk size and type, format, CPU, memory requirement, network details, and this gives the summary of configuration we picked. As you can see here, this is our test bed. So we are going to create a virtual instance to redeploy our environment on this platform. As soon as I submit, I should see a new instance created here. It says new instance created. I say OK. You can see that it's a new instance here with the defined parameters. Now I just select the business process and pick the instance I redeployed. Then I start. It says started. The started will change it in a minute. It's running now. Now I can ask to show me the proceed. As you can see, my instance start installing the operating system. I just click next. And follow through the installation process. Once the installation is completed, then user has to copy the configuration files and any specific folders and datas. Now once we complete our redeployment process by copying the specific folders, data files, configuration, etc., now it's a time to verify the system using our verification and validation framework. To do so, we just launch the verification framework. We have previously preserved the verification data. We just loaded that informations, and we have a network address where the redeployment machine is running. This is the IP address of that machine. Now we have a capture method which is operating system command. Now I click start. It should log into the redeployment environment and run this command to extract the output. And these output will be compared against the preset values we have in the verification data. As you can see, the informations are extracted by running the command, and it's compared against the previous values. In this case, all the values are within the limit they are passing. And thanks for watching.